Welcome to Guide Guru. We hope this video helps.
You start with the essential prerequisites: both players online, stable Wi-Fi, and the Pokemon you plan to evolve. Once done, make sure any held item or specific condition is attached. Some trades need an item or time of day. Now open the trade interface, choose local or online trade, and initiate the connection. You'll see your partner, confirm the Pokemon to trade. This first actionable step ensures the evolution will be triggered by the trade and prevents wasted transfers. Once connected, double-check the species and held item. You don't want to trade the wrong Pokemon. Execute the trade quickly, because certain trade evolutions require the trade itself to complete to trigger evolution. Delay can risk confusion or canceling. After the trade finishes, watch the evolution animation. If it doesn't evolve, make sure evolution criteria were met. Then arrange a trade back if needed, or keep the newly evolved form. Keep chat open to coordinate timing. To finish, perform a trade back when both parties agree, so each gets their Pokemon as intended. If evolution did not occur, stop and verify the species is eligible, that the required held item or condition was present, and that both games are updated to the latest version. If problems persist, restart both consoles, reconnect to Wi-Fi, and reattempt the trade. This clears temporary sync issues. One key tip: always keep screenshots or timestamps in chat.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.